How to remove Meta AI from WhatsApp. Hey everyone! In this video tutorial, we're showing you how to delete Meta AI from WhatsApp. Meta AI is a powerful AI tool from Meta that can answer your questions, generate creative text formats, and even create images based on your descriptions. You can access it directly within Facebook, Instagram, WhatsApp, and even Messenger. So to remove Meta AI from WhatsApp, first, open WhatsApp on your phone. Tap the three dots in the top right corner to access the menu. From the menu, select Settings. In Settings, find Chat and tap on it. Now, under Chat Settings, look for the option that says Show Meta AI button. Simply turn the switch off. The Meta AI button should now disappear from your WhatsApp home screen. With these simple steps, you've successfully hidden the Meta AI button and cleaned up your WhatsApp interface. It's important to understand that you can't completely remove Meta AI from WhatsApp. It's the powerful AI tech that runs behind the scenes in the app. You can just hide it. If you have any questions about Meta AI, feel free to leave them down in the comments below. And of course, do not forget to like this video and subscribe to this channel. It really helps me out. Thanks for watching my video.